Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to uninstall applications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. And on the device page, you should see your AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro. Rather, not Pro, Round, my bad. Anyway, on this page, you should see the App Store. And next to it, there should be this arrow. Tap on this arrow to open the App Store. Come on, sometimes it's wonky, but okay, we opened the App Store. And after you open the App Store, tap on Mine right here to open the list of applications installed on your watch. As you can see here, we have 3 applications, and to remove them, or one of them, we need to tap on More right here above. And then we need to tap on Delete in the top right corner. Select the app we want to remove and tap on Delete. Tap on OK, and the app will be removed. If you go to your watch and open the app list, the icon of the application will be gone. So we can do this for the second app, just to show you. And if you go back down, you will see that the icon is gone. And of course, once you're done, you can close the ZEP application, and that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.